Designed for enduro, the WR450F features enduro-developed components including 2.0-gallon fuel capacity, multi-function meter with fuel and engine warning lights, 18-inch rear wheel, head and tail light, radiator fan, skid plate, sealed O-ring chain, folding aluminum kickstand and an EPA-approved spark arrestor muffler. Embedded graphics. Premium embedded graphics are built into the bodywork for extended durability, resisting both peeling and damage. High performance details. The WR450F boasts a wide range of additional top-spec details carried over from the competition-tested YZ450F, including rubber-mounted, 4-position adjustable handlebar clamps, aluminum tapered handlebars, compact PVC handlebar pad, wide foot pegs, lightweight throttle cables, quick-adjust clutch perch, toolless air filter access and multi-function switchgear. Powerful 450cc 4-stroke engine. The light, compact and high-revving 450cc engine delivers power across the entire rev range. EQ settings are tailored to suit the specific needs of trail riding and enduro competition. 3-level traction control. 3-level traction control, lap timer, data logging and helpful setup guides are enabled through Yamaha's groundbreaking next-generation PowerTuner app. Aluminum bilateral beam frame. A aluminum bilateral beam frame with WR450F specific engine mounts provides the right combination of strength and flex for the perfect balance of straight line stability and cornering performance. The result is a superb handling machine with light feel, high agility and plenty of traction, allowing the rider to tackle tight, technical courses with supreme confidence. Class-leading suspension. The industry-leading, fully adjustable KYB coil spring-type fork with speed-sensitive damping provides exceptional balance between handling and bump absorption, and now features a hand-operated compression clicker for toolless adjustments. The linkage-type rear suspension uses a KYB shock with specially tuned damping characteristics to match the WR450F chassis. The suspension contributes to a low center of gravity for excellent cornering performance and rider comfort in technical sections. High-performance braking system. Compact front and rear brake calipers work with aggressive pad compounds and lightweight discs to provide exceptional braking power and control, efficiently dissipate heat and reduce unsprung weight. Slim body and rider-friendly ergos. A slim, flat and compact body makes rider movement easy for enhanced control, including rounded seat edges and narrow shrouds. The rider triangle offers generous legroom between the seat and foot pegs for high levels of rider comfort. Engine. High-performance 450cc 4-stroke engine. The 450cc liquid-cooled DOHC 4-stroke engine is light, compact and features strong pulling power across the entire rev range. A high rev limit assists over rev, further boosting the WR450F's broad power character. Additionally, EQ settings are tailored to suit the specific needs of trail riding and enduro competition. 3-level traction control system. A traction control system enabled through Yamaha's PowerTuner app communicates wheel slip to the EQ, tuning the engine to maintain ideal rear-wheel traction. 3 levels can be selected: high, LOW or off. Enduro wheel, tire combo. The WR450F's lightweight 18-inch rear wheel comes laced with a 3-cross spoke pattern for improved impact absorption and rider feel. Wheels feature Excel rims and come wrapped in Dunlop GMAX MX33 tires for an ideal balance of traction and durability.